Welcome. In front of me is a REALME X2 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, you want to pull down the notification panel, expand it, and from here look for power saving button. So it looks like for me it's on the second page right over here. And from here all you need to do is simply tap on it to enable the power saving mode. And you can also, I believe, hold it and this will take you to the settings where you can access the super power saving mode from here. And as you can see, on the normal power saving mode we will have estimated 1 day and 16 hours of battery life. Without it we have no idea how much. I think it's here, 14 hours. Now if we enable the super power saving mode, we extend it to basically by almost a day. So let's turn it on, but as you can see, once you turn it on, the ultra power saving mode is a little bit ultra. So basically everything becomes super limited on the device. It has this dark mode enabled with only a couple apps accessible. Now once you're done with it, all you need to do is tap on the exit button right over here. And there we go, we are now back in normal mode. So that is how you would enter and also exit the ultra power saving mode along with the normal power saving mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.